Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp has stopped problem. So the answer is easy, just to go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Then go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data. But be careful, if you clear data, all your messages and all the files and the documents and the media, the chats will be deleted. So be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.